Hi, I'm Patu for freefincal. In today's video, let's take a look at DSP Midcap Fund, in particular its SIP performance. And before I do that, I just want to point out that viewers may recall that I had released, let me just get there, a tactical buy and sell tool based on double moving averages last month. And so that was available for rupees 500 and I had said at the time of release that it will be pushed to 1000 rupees, the full price, soon, and that soon has come. That's July 15th. So until July 15th, you can get the tool for 500 rupees, and after that it will become 1000. So you can head over to the link. I shall leave the link in the description and in the pinned comment for this. So DSP Midcap Fund, this is a fund that not many people talk about in personal finance forums and so on, but incidentally, it's got the second largest AUM in the midcap category, and that's quite strange. And I had talked about this multiple times before. I had reviewed it in July 2019. I had said that is a very consistent performer, and also recently I had said only 3 funds had bet Nifty Next 50 consistently, and only 6 funds had bet Nifty Midcap 150 consistently, and this was one such fund. And this started out like all or at least typical midcap and small cap funds, as some fund that can invest in both, or basically all in this case. And it had a specific, all types of market cap, and it had a specific mandate to invest beyond the top 100 companies by market cap, at least 65%. And after March 2018, it became a mid-cap fund to comply with SEBI regulations as usual. You can see the market cap allocation here. The orange segment is the mid-cap, the blue is the large cap, and the gray is the small cap. So it had significant amounts of small cap, about 20-30%, about 20%, 10% of large caps, and the rest of it mid-cap, and then it became a mid-cap oriented kind of fund. So again, you must keep that in mind while studying its past. So we have compared the SIP performance of the fund with Nifty large mid cap 250. This is 50% large cap, 50% mid cap index. Nifty mid cap small cap 400 index, Nifty mid cap 150, Nifty mid cap 50, Nifty mid cap 100, and Nifty next 50. And the SIP for returns for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 years. Last 1 to 13 years is tabulated here. I will not present the data. I'm not going to read out the data. You can see all the data. The full data is here. You can go to the post, or you can go to the community page, and then the link is there. The fund has bet all the indices in all the durations in SIP. So there's been a fantastic performer in the past. There's no guarantee that it will perform in future, but I mean, we can't do anything about it, but there's no reason not to invest in the fund, and it's definitely a good pick in the mid cap category. Thank you. Bye bye.